This presentation does not constitute financial advice or an investment offer. Its sole purpose is education, to help you understand new technologies in a simple and friendly way. Let's explore the world of decentralized finance, explained in human language. Imagine the blockchain as a digital ledger that no one can ever tamper with. Every transaction is public, traceable, and permanently recorded in the system. This is what makes decentralized systems trustworthy and transparent. But the real magic is just beginning. One of the most powerful inventions on the blockchain is the smart contract, an automated digital agreement. Imagine two people. One wants to send money, the other provides a service. Instead of a lawyer or bank, there's a programmed set of rules that automatically executes the transaction. There's no waiting, no misunderstandings, no delays. Everything happens exactly as written in advance. This is the foundation of staking. Here, your money doesn't just sit around. It is put to work through a smart contract. This contract generates passive income based on predefined terms, daily, weekly, or monthly. You don't need to trade or time the market. Returns are predictable, the process is automated, and you can focus on living your life. That was the legal and conceptual background. Now that you understand what blockchain and smart contracts can do, let's see how it works in real life, through a real-world system.